Wait, is that a red line? What's gonna happen? Do I jump over it? Survive the spinner. Oh. But geez. Oh. Welcome everyone, I'm Joe here, and today we are playing the button in Roblox. It's a game where you press the button and something will happen. Oh, there's a noob chasing me. Oh my god. Noob explosives. No, please don't explode me. Do not explode me, please. Don't you dare. That was a close one. Oh, yeah, I need to wait for something to happen. If I press the button. A tsunami suppression. Get as high as you can. Wait a minute. Who pressed the button? Oh jeez. I don't get who pressed the button. I don't see anyone pressing this button. Oh, the wave is coming. I think this is more higher. The barn is not destroyed. It's lucky for us. Okay. What else was gonna happen? This guy pressed this button. There's a pirate ship. What is that? Is that it? Attack the pirates! Pirates. Yarr! Wait, did that pirate have a gun? What? I think some pirates have guns. Back away. Get away, you barbarian. I eliminated all 17 pirates. Ooh, we did it. Victory, I guess. Alright. If I press this button, what will happen? Wait, is that a boombox? Why is that guy dancing? Now there's two guys dancing. This is like a dance contest. And now I'm dancing. If you go near these guys, you will dance. Alright. Okay. That's funny. That's funny how I dance there. Alright, I need to stop dancing. Stop it. Oh my god, it's a gorilla. I fell over. What was that on my face? Look at my face. I think I got injured. You trip over if you go near a gorilla, I guess. I keep on tripping and tripping and tripping. I don't know what's happening. How about I reset my character to see if it works? It makes it stop dancing. Hey, look, I'm stopped dancing. Oh my god, there's coins. Robux coins. Wow. 1 coin, 1 plus coin. Wow. I'm getting so much coins. Wow. I can't believe I'm getting that much coin. Alright. What's next? Oh, it's a train! Oh, I didn't see that train. Uh, Dodge the teapots of doom. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I almost died. I did it! And my head turned into a blue teapot. Why am I wearing that hat? I think I survived. Exactly. That guy had a teddy bear. Alright. Oh, someone pressed the button very quickly. Oh, it's just like an obstacle course. And now I've died. Oh my god, you can do it again? Okay. We are doing it. Walk through a line. Hey, look, I did it. I got my green trophy. That's good for me. I guess. When is this RP gonna end? I'm not sure. And now there's another RP, purple RP. How do I how do I get up there? I need to solve this. We are doing it. What? I thought I didn't even touch that. What? I didn't even touch the deadly magenta line. I guess that's why they used to call it. How do I get up there? Oh, it's so hard for me. I think it's gonna be hard for me. Oh no, there's another train. What's going on? Oh my god, there's Lego bricks. Oh my god, you can climb on to them. There's Lego bricks. It's rolling dices. Gift presents. I think I found. Okay. Rolling dices. Lego bricks. Would you think that you would step on Lego? Would it hurt or not? Now there's teddy bears, alphabets, A, B, C. Is this a pillow? Okay. And now these are... What are these? Oh, wait, is that it? Exploding noobs holding bombs. Run away. Wait, is that a red line? What's gonna happen? Do I jump over it? Survive the spinner. Oh. Oh gee. Okay. I need to survive. Wait, why am I up there? Oh. Survive the spinner. Oh. That's why they used to call it survive the spinner. Alright. Look how is it gonna spin? Look how is it? How is it gonna spin? We can go to the shop. What can I buy? Coin? Yeah, 32 coins. I want a speed coil. Wait, it's not letting me buy. What? Why is it glowing red? Why is the red light? Survive the rocks! Oh. Is there a way? How do I get up there? Oh, do not fall into the lava. It's deadly. Dodge the rocks. Try to avoid them. They put sticks so that the rocks would not fall on us. Man, it hit me. What? Why is that guy laughing? Oh, what's happening? What is happening? And now there's this purple obby. Oh man. I need to get up there, but how? Ooh. Oh jeez. So hard for me. Well, I didn't even touch that. Oh, I'm trying to beat this obby. I keep stepping on magenta. Oh, what's that? Wait, is that a car? Someone's missing their legs. And now you have to survive the falling rocks. Climb up this ramp. Ooh. Wait, what's happened? What happened? What's that? Oh, it's a maze full of flowers. Wow. That's so cool. Oh. Is there a way out? Ooh. Okay. This is so cool. I like that they put flowers in there. Okay. We did it. I got this pink rusty trophy for escaping this maze. What? Oh my god, zombies! Oh no, zombies! They're approaching. It's a zombie apocalypse. Did that zombie just fall over? Ah, no, 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 no. Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. Oh no, he's still chasing me. Get away. Get away, please. Ah, they're gone. You know what, guys, I am gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to follow me on my social website, link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video.